Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. This video is going to show you, well, I'm trying to select it all and hit T to put them all even. The amount of blends you do. This one was blended 500 times. This one was only blended like 100. So let's just make this shape, and maybe your artistic ability could be better than mine. I'm going to use the 2-point line, and I'm just going to make some lines. And there's a couple ways you could smooth this out, but if you'll take your shape tool and right click and turn this into a curve, watch what happens when you delete that node. And we can actually do better than that. Let's make this kind of stick out a little bit. So grab your handle and make that node a little more rounded. Then when you get rid of that node, look what it did. It did a pretty good, and you can always change it, put it heavier on the bottom. And then you could take this one and I'm just using these handles, and hopefully your artistic ability will be better than mine. Now we've got that line. I don't like using hairlines. You can. I'm going to make it a little bit thicker. I'm going to Control D and make a duplicate. And then while holding down the control button, I'm going to get the two-sided arrow. Then I'm going to right click on that and make it yellow. I'm going to go to effects and open up the blend docker. I'm going to blend this first one 999 times, which is the biggest amount you can. Tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to make a couple of duplicates of this and show you the difference. Let's just put them all three over here. So let's zoom in here. You can always hit the Z key on your keyboard. So let's do this 999 times. Let's do this one 500 times. You won't be able to really tell the difference between the two, but let's only do this 100 times. And you can definitely tell the difference. Now we can select it all and hit T and put them all even. Get your black box, take a rectangle, make it black, or any color, object, order, back of page. And that's pretty good. But you can't really tell too much difference between the two. This has, well, let's look at the red part. You can't really see the lines on the 999. You can see the lines on the 500, but you can definitely see the lines on the 100. So it just depends on what you're wanting to do with it and how much you want to blend it. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.